Hey, how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Today's our topic: how to change Facebook page username. If you are running a Facebook page as a business purpose, and when you create a fresh Facebook page account, then you will see that there is a random number on the in this part. You see facebook.com digital gateway. You find out here random number that is difficult to learn and difficult to tell someone to search your Facebook page. Okay. uh, so if you are running for the business purpose, then it is very important to change their username and make it unique for search, for learn, and for tell someone. Okay. This is the topic. For this, you need a Facebook page, Facebook profile, Facebook page. You check and see in the video that I have Facebook page open digital gateway. If you want to create Facebook page, and that I show you in this video, and then you find out the videos in my YouTube channel, where I tell you how to create Facebook page, how to do professional settings, general setting in Facebook page, how to make a logo, digital gateway, how to make a Facebook page cover photo for business purpose. Okay. So without wasting time, start the video. For this, you come into your Facebook page and you find out in the top right corner, which is account tab. Just click on it, and for after this, you just click on the setting and privacy. Click on setting and privacy, and then you find out setting tab. Just click on it. After clicking that, you redirect into the page general page setting, where the you can see username tab. This is so much easy, and mm, the baby can do that, but people are not changing their username. While username is very important, username increase your SEO, username increase your search engine result, uh, and very important, when you give someone link your username, then it is easy to learn. Okay. Just click on the edit button. After click on the edit button, you find out that username. I add digital gateway. For the L, I add here one because L is not available. Like I show you, digital gateway is not available. Due to this, I add one. Okay. To show you how to change, I change another name here, and I add here digital not available. Okay. Digital gateway. Digital gateway is a space. No, this is invalid character. Okay. So I will add 3 rather than E. And this is easy to learn. This is easy to pronunciate digital gateway. So you can also add your business name like that if your main username is not available. Okay. I just click on the save changes and enter here my Facebook page password. When I enter here my Facebook page password, then my username got changed. Very easy. Check my page username change, and I will also show you on my Facebook page. Check this, and now this is easy to learn and search. Okay. Hope you enjoy my video. If you found this video valuable, then just subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.